Today's lesson is the third lesson in topic 10. Multiply a fraction by a whole number. Use samples. What we will do today, we need to solve, okay. We need to solve questions like question number 3 and 4 here. Let's see. In question number 3 and 4, we need to multiply the whole number by the fraction. And in question 5 and 6, we need to write and solve multiplication equation. So, to start, my heroes, please open your books page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this?
556.
Yes. Great. 556. Okay, so let's start by reading the question. Ahmed Fahad. Ahmed Fahad. Is it only Maitham or everyone? Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, read it for us, Ahmed.
What?
Read it for us. So we need to find, yes,
3, 4,
2 multiplied by 3/4.
3.
Thank you, Ahmed. Okay, so my heroes, you know that we can use models to multiply 2 by 3/4, and we can do it also without models. We have here two ways. The first way is using properties. This way is using properties. The properties that we are using are associative and commutative properties. So here, 2 multiplied by 3/4. 3/4, as you know, we can write it as 3 times 1/4. Why? Because we are repeating the 1/4 unit fraction 3 times. It's right in here that 3/4 is 3 copies of 1/4. Okay. So, we need to use properties to multiply the whole numbers 2 and 3. So we get them together, and this is associative property. When we have 3 numbers multiplying 3 numbers, we can change the place of the brackets, the parentheses. So we need to multiply 2 by 3 first, it's 6, and the 1/4 as it is. Then when we multiply 6 by 1/4, we know that it is 6/4. And the answer 6/4, we can write it as a mixed number. So here, can anyone help me how we can convert 4/6 to a mixed number? Okay, Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
What should I do?
We have the 6 4. We have it.
Mm-hmm.
I should take the 6 minus 4 equals 2. So put the 2 as the
Excellent. So we are dividing 6
put the 1.
by 4, or using long division, divide 6 by 4. So 6 divided 4 equals 1, and 1 times 4 equals 4. When we subtract, it's 2. Continue, Abdurrahman.
Yeah.
So what is the whole number? The whole number is the quotient. Yes, this is the whole. The quotient is the whole. And the denominator down is, the remainder down is the numerator. The denominator, keep it. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any problems about how we convert to a mixed number? We do use long division. We have the quotient is the whole, the remainder is the numerator, and keep the denominator. Okay, so yes.
Send it in chat or no?
Okay, send it. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, my heroes. So in the second way,
It's the 1 minute.
what?
Minute.
I don't get it. Do you have any problems?
No, no.
Okay, so the other way, we can just multiply the 2 by the numerator. That's it. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So it's 6 fourths. And after that, you can convert it again, like as what we did here. We can convert it to a mixed number. So the answer is 1 and 2 fourths. Okay, my heroes. Okay, let's try to do this again one more time, but this time we will write the steps. Let's see this question. Okay, and okay, Malik Salman.
Yes, mister.
Okay, Malik, start with me. We need to use the properties of operations to calculate 3 times 3 sectors. Okay, to make it sure, we are using the first way here. To solve this question, we need to use this way, the first way in the book. Okay? Okay, go ahead. So I will write it first.
3 multiply 3 3 sixties equals 9 sixties.
Oh, I want the properties. So make the 3 sectors to be
9
3. No. 3 times 1/6.
Yes.
I told you we are using the first way, not the second. Okay, so here what we did,
We multiply 3 with 1 sixty.
yes, we write 3 sectors as 3 times the unit fraction 1/6. Okay, next we will use associative property. So it will be 3 times 3 first, then times 1/6. What is the name of this property? Okay.
So
3 times 3.
9.
And we have 1/6 here. So it will be
9.
9/6. And now 9/6 is improper fraction, right?
Yes.
So we need to write it as a mixed number. Okay, I will use long division here. 9 divided by 6.
9 divided by 6. Multiply 1.
Okay, so 1 times 6 equals
3.
you mean the remainder is 3?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what is the whole number? Start with the whole number. Excellent, the whole number is 1. And the numerator? Excellent, the numerator is 3. And down in the denominator?
6.
Keep it. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes. Any problems? Any questions? Okay, please write it. And I have a star question here.
Do 9 divide 6 or 6 divide 9?
9 divided by 6.
Oh. Mister, I already sent it in chat.
Okay, the star question now. Is this the simplest form or the reduced form or the lowest term?
I don't know. What is this color that you want?
Please, if you don't have the answer, do not use your mic. I want yes or no and why. This answer, 1 and 3/6, is it the simplest form?
No.
Okay, who else? Anyone else? There's someone using the mic.
Yeah, me teacher, I want to ask.
Okay, so I have Abdurrahman and Muhammad. Abdurrahman, you answered before. What about Muhammad this time? Muhammad, start.
Yes, teacher. It's actually not the simplest form.
Not.
And you will see why.
Mm-hmm.
Because we can divide it by 3. Then the answer will be 1 out of 3. 1 and 1 out of 3 will be the answer also.
Okay, we will see the answer, but I like the first part. You said no. You said no because we can divide by 3. No. So, my heroes, this is not the simplest form. So, let's do it in the simplest form. Muhammad, we will divide by
3.
Okay, go ahead. The whole one, we will not change it, right?
The whole one, yeah.
Okay. And
Divided by 3 equal 1 and 6 divided by 3 equal 3. So what's the
no, no, no,
what
no,
will
no,
be
no,
the
no.
simplest
6 divided by 3 equals?
6 divided by 3 2.
Okay, so it's 1.5. Muhammad, great work. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, this is an extra step that we can do to get the simplest form. So the answer is 9/6 or 1 and 3/6 or 1 and 1/2. Okay, please write it quickly, my heroes. Yes, and write the star question also. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Mr. I sent it in chat.
Thank you, Muhammad. Great. I like when you help me. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes. So now we will move to the next page. Is it okay now to move? Any problems? Is there anyone writing? Okay, Ali, 10 more seconds. It's in the chat, but maybe Ali, maybe he does not have the chat, so
I have it, but it's make me don't see the
oh, the screen. Okay. Yes.
yet.
Okay, so quickly, you have 10 seconds. And now, yes. Now let's move to the next page. And let's go directly to the questions. Here we have question number 3 and 4. And let's start with question number 3. ثامر العيسى. ثامر.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Step question number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Let multiply 2 over 1 over 2.
Yes.
Okay. Let
What should we do?
multiply
Multiply the 8 by the 1 or the 2 or both of them.
2.
The 2.
2 first.
We should multiply the 8 by the 2. I think you are not focusing with us. We said that we multiply the whole number by the numerator. So we multiply the 8 by the numerator.
Okay.
And do not change the denominator. Go ahead.
8 multiplied by 1 over 8.
Mm-hmm. Continue.
8 multiplied by 2.
You will multiply 8 by 2. I repeat, we do not change the denominator.
Yeah.
So the denominator is?
It's 2.
Okay, now this is improper fraction.
Yeah.
So we need to write it as
As
a mixed number.
number.
Okay, let's do it. 8 divided by 2 equals
4.
okay, 4 times 2 is 8. So the remainder is 0. Okay, so when we have remainder 0, the whole number, of course, it's 4. And we don't have anything, so we have 0 halves. So we don't need to write it, my heroes. We just write the 4. Okay, any problems? Thank you, my hero. Thank you, Thamer. My heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Danielle? 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 Muhammad Hisham?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
13 times 3 over 4. So 13 times 3 equals
3 times 3, then 1 times 3. Yes?
3 times 3.
Yes?
9.
1 times 3.
1 times 3 equals 3.
Okay, the denominator?
The denominator is 4.
Okay, great. Now, let's do it as a mixed number because it's improper. The numerator is more than the denominator. So let's do the long division. I will write the long division here. 39 divided by 4. Mm-hmm.
9.
9 times 4.
9 times 4 equals
36.
36.
What is the remainder?
39. 9 minus 6 equals 3, and 3 minus 3 equals 0. So 3.
Okay, let's write it as a mixed number. What is the whole number?
The whole number is
No, the quotient. The 9.
9.
And what is the numerator?
4.
The denominator 4, yes. But the numerator? The remainder?
39.
No. What? The remainder is what is the remainder? This is the remainder. Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
3.
Great. Okay, now my heroes, let's play a game. Then we will see the next questions. But if I don't think we have enough time to solve them, so we may solve them next session, next week. Any problems about these?
No.
Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen and I'll send to you the link of the game. Now let's start solving. I will tell you the answers. In the first question here, 8 times 2 equals 16. So the correct choice is 16 sixths. Okay, the next question. 1/2 times 6. So 1 times 6 equals 6. And down the denominator 2. 6 divided 2 equals 3. 6 over 2 or 3. Okay, let's move to the next one. Ethan went to physical education class 10 times this year. He spent 3/5 of those classes outside. How many of Ethan's physical education classes this year were held outside? So we need to multiply 10 by 3/5. It will be 30 over 5. 30 over 5. And when you try to make it a mixed number, 30 divided 5 equals 6. Right. Any problems?
6.
In the next one, 10 times 1 equals 10. And 10 divided 3 equals 3. The remainder is 1.
3.
Okay. So, I will write the answer for this one. So, for this one, my heroes, it is 10 thirds, and when you divide it, 10 divided 3 equals 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. So this is the whole number, and this is the numerator. Okay, so the whole number is 3, and the remainder is the numerator. Okay, let's move to the next one. In this one also we will multiply 15 by 2/5, and in this case the correct choice as a mixed number, we will find that it is 30 over 5, and 30/5 equals 6. Any problems? Any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you, my heroes. See you next week, and goodbye.